Fiber offers many advantages, including greater data security and the ability to transmit signals longer distances. Now, you can easily add 4K 60 fiber to any Crestron digital media system, from a single room to a large matrix switching setup. DM has led the way in 4K 60 distribution. Now, we've taken it to the next level. Our new family of DM fiber extender products support 4K 60 fiber and HDCP 2.2 end-to-end, all on a single, flexible, and scalable platform that works across the entire DM product line. Industry standard single-mode and multi-mode fiber types are supported for optimal flexibility. And if you still have Crest Fiber 8G in the wall, you can support that for up to 200 meters. DM gives you two easy ways to deploy 4K 60 fiber: familiar transmitter and receiver boxes, or transmitter and receiver cards installed in a brand new dedicated 4K 60 fiber card chassis. Let's look at the transmitter and receiver boxes first. These endpoints can be connected to each other on a one-to-one basis to extend HDMI long distance and provide local HDMI switching. Or they can be deployed as endpoints connected to the cards in the chassis. The transmitter has two HDMI inputs, an analog audio input, an HDMI output, a DM fiber output, and a LAN connection. The receiver has one HDMI input, one HDMI output, an analog audio output, a DM fiber input, and a LAN connection. On the opposite ends of the transmitter and receiver are built-in serial and IR control ports. These allow for programmable control of the connected sources and other devices through the control system. Simply connect the two together via fiber. Connect a source to the transmitter. Then the receiver to a display. That's it. Couldn't be easier. And thanks to built-in auto switching, you can simply add an additional source at the transmitter and a local source at the display. Flexibility is the name of the game. The transmitter and receiver boxes can just as easily be used as transmitter and receiver endpoints in a larger system. For the equivalent card-based option, we've created a dedicated 2-rack space 4K 60 fiber chassis. Not to be confused with a matrix switch, the chassis serves as a power supply and consolidation point only. You can think of the cards as extenders from and to DM 4K 60 HDMI inputs and outputs. To add switching support, simply pair the 4K fiber solution with a DM or HDMI switch. The chassis accommodates up to 8 of the new 4K 60 fiber cards. It's typically located near a DM switcher, such as an 8x8 or 16x16 for easy integration. Any combination of transmitter or receiver cards can be loaded into the chassis. This makes any configuration possible. The other required element for DM 4K 60 fiber solutions is SFP Plus transceiver modules. These modules separate the optics from the electronics. The DM in and DM out ports on the transmitter and receiver boxes and cards are configurable using these modules. They plug into the SFP Plus slots in the transmitters and receivers to enable compatibility with single mode, multi-mode, or Crest Fiber fiber types. This provides the flexibility to use the modules that match your application, or even to change them in the future. Now, let me tell you how easy it is to order these fiber solutions. Each DM 4K 60 fiber box or card is sold as a packaged kit containing one SFP Plus module. All you need to know is which type of fiber you're using, and then select the corresponding kit. Clean and simple.